see that how can you use Android 12 widgets in any of your Android device. As you can see, here is our widget, and this is all of Android 12. And if you click on these widgets, you will be redirected to clock application, and this is not available in KWGT, so that's the reason why I used this Android 12 widget application, not KWGT. So here you can see all the widgets are kind of very minimal looks. So here are the widgets. Other widgets are also more or less similar to these three. So let's see how can you install that application and use these widgets. So let's install the application first. So go to Play Store and search for Android 12 widgets. So here is the application. You can see the developer and ratings, and install that application. And also there is not any ad in this application, so that's also good. So here you can see, here we have 8 widgets. 2 are digital clock widgets and others are analog one. So here is our first one. So let's try an analog widget also. So here I am selecting this. So let's see, and you can see the size is like icons, although you can increase this also. Here see, it is also looking good, and this will look good if you use a minimal wallpaper also. So that's the application. So let's see other one also. So this is, I feel like, ordinary one. The other tools are good.